And so we're live for live stream 429. And it seems I've missed a possible long here. I could take this one actually. Let's see. Goodness me. Problem is, I'd have to. Okay. Let's see. Problematic. No. Seems I'm going to get to target pretty quickly there. Seems I'm going to get to target pretty quickly over there. Just added as we near the target here. Do you think the target should be hit? This one. Target is all the way up here. We're about 2 points from target. We got through it, just not being filled yet. Just not being filled over here. What's going on? There we go. Okay. Let's try and figure this out. What instrument is this? This is silver. Let's see. This camera right here. 81900. Gold. 79.6. How you doing, Heath? How you doing, Matt? What a great exit. Goodness me. Where did I exit? Exited 122.25. The high is 123. Ha! Goodness me, what a perfect exit. 3 ticks higher. uh, 3 ticks higher. And the market's pulled back 58 points. Nice. Nice. Still in that BTC short, I also shorted Ethereum. Really? You're still in that short? Look at this son of a gun here, man. Let's see. Hold on a sec. 73. Nah. Nah, we're not going to do that, are we? We are not that guy. Golly. There's some good opportunity. This would have been a loser. I wouldn't have taken it. This would have been, oh my word. This would have been such a good trade, man. Oh my word, it would have been up 175. Oh well, that's life. Let's go look at your trade, ETH. Let's go look at your trade. So Bitcoin 71. ETH is still cooking, and ETH is looking for 68. Dang, that surprise that you got filled on that. It usually hates you. I know, right? The only reason I got filled is because I'm trading at Q, I imagine. The thing is, look at value area highs now at that level. I imagine my demo order played its part. That's what it is. I'll market making in a demo account. You know, the thing about this thing is, with silver, it could be problematic here because we do have this level that we've previously rejected. And we're rejecting again. So are we going to come down and break the lows? Problematic. Let's have a look. Let's have a deeper dive here. Let's see. Let's take a deeper dive. Yeah, ETH, we're going to see whether the analysts are right or whether you're correct, mate. With your, oh my word. I wonder if I missed this short here. Let me just have a look. So, we've been in a range. Pretty clearly a range on at Q. Break up. Struggle to go higher. Made several attempts, so we're in a range. Currently being held. Is the market going to reject this entire move up and re-auction all the way back down into this zone right here? All the way down to 24,900. Is that what the market is looking to do? Get all the way back down here. All the way back down to, well, we've got a value area high. Seem to have put in a decent amount of volume through there. It's interesting. It's interesting to think about. Now, what is this level doing there? Oh my, this is from a long time ago. It was from a long time ago. Well, cause a lot of absorption. Oh yeah. Yeah, mate. They were absorbing all those orders, mate. That's exactly what's happening there. We're gonna see, ETH. I think you may be if we get down to 68, mate, we're gonna need you on Wall Street. You're gonna need to be an analyst working 20 hours a day, 7 days a week, at a big hedge fund or investment bank. If you can get 68 here, mate. If you're not already working for a big bank or a hedge fund and you're just LARPing on YouTube. Let's see. You're probably at your desk right now, mate, with about 40 screens. Nah, 40 is a bit excessive. Maybe 8. So, oh, actually, I need to get back to our friends over at NQ. Let's keep an eye on NQ here. So this trade idea has worked itself out. Not quite, but yes, it has, because this secondary end should have caused the adjustment. Now, why would we be shorted here? Why would the market be selling? Let's try and figure this out. Oh, that's why. Okay. There's a lot of price action through here. Not the biggest fan. I've had a lot of price action through here. I'm not sure if I want to short this. Maybe if we went higher, up to 139. Where did we go? 128, 123. Probably needed to go higher here. Probably needed to go higher. Okay. No, people start watching your stream so they can make money trading. What? I would advise against that. If they're looking to make money trading, I wouldn't think this would be the stream for them. The great thing about my streams is the transparency, I'd say. Because if somebody was to ever come over here and think, oh, let's see one of the big days. The thing about it is they can easily go and see the big losing days as well. So it's not like the pre-recordings where I only show the best trades and say, look, you can join my Discord for $500 a month. Nothing against people who do that, but actually through my channel they copy trades. Yeah, right. You know what? There's a there's a famous YouTuber. There's a famous YouTuber in the trading community. I don't know how true it is. Somebody was clearly not a fan of his. He was talking about they had the recording. So he's got his I don't know if it was whether it's like a private Discord or whether it's on YouTube or whatever the case is. And he took a trade and he lost. And he was like, oh, the reason I lost is because I was trading on YouTube. And he was telling his supporters that that so many of his supporters copied him that the basically the big banks decided to fade the trade because his supporters put so much volume into the market that the algos immediately switched on and immediately started trading against him. And his supporters actually believed it. And I was like, wow, okay, fair enough. I guess some people are that powerful, imagine. That they do have the ability between them and their followers to have direct effects on markets. And it wasn't something thin. It wasn't like a penny stock or something. Because obviously that's understandable. If it's like something thin, low in volume. Easy to get in. Easy to leverage on. But no, that's what the chap said. I don't know if it's true. Maybe, you know, the big banks did conspire to get him. Get his stop. Who knows? Could be true. This short, man. I taught myself out of this short. It's looking fantastic now. On the old NQ. Goodness me. Classic. Come up to value area. Well, we moved the value area there. Reject. Return to the opposite end of value. While trading in this range. And the area rejected from. The thing is, I wanted it higher. It was 123. But I wanted 139. Maybe I'm trying to be too specific. So, East, you said you're in a... Oh, what's going on here? Should I abandon this long? East, you said you're in Ethereum. When did you get into Ethereum? Was it overnight or during New York? When did you get in, mate? The thing is, I can't trade it for a breakdown because it's clearly in a range. We've not cleared $1 million on ES. We're currently 118 on gold. Not even cleared 50 on silver. Got in yesterday, I'm not sure when. Oh, you used a pen in order. Fair enough. Fair enough. Ooh. See, that area is just rejected. Goodness me. The trade, it's always a trade you don't take. Oh, it's always a trade you don't take. I need to be careful here so I don't go on tilt. Could cause myself a lot of issues. Eighth, the world is waiting for you to start live streaming, mate. When are you going to start live streaming? We all want to see the man, the myth, the legend, or is it in your contract at the hedge fund that you're not allowed to have a social media account? I wonder if the buyers are going to step in. Never. I'll put that in my calendar. I'm going to hold you to it, mate. What's going on? This could be a tricky day. What's the CDR? Let's go look for the CDR here. Let's have a look at the CDR. I need to add a CDR to a chart. Oh, we've got CDR right here. Okay, so $5 on silver, $141 on gold, 319 on NQ. That's low volatility. I need to be extra careful. I need to be extra careful. Is this the right area to be buying? I need to be very careful of that. I really do. 175. Because we've rejected out of that zone. People might copy trade, not and know the secrets. To be fair, I understand, especially with crypto. I see the stories. You know what? Maybe I should look at the big picture here. I see the stories of some crypto bros being kidnapped, threatened, thrown in car boots for their crypto wallets and the crypto keys and all sorts. So I could see why you want to keep a low profile. Especially as you're also trading simulated as well. So, I wouldn't want anybody to think you're actually trading real capital. Could be a bit problematic from a security perspective. Oh yeah, BTC is coming down again. You're joking. BTC's coming down. Is tech going to come with it? Oh, we're down to nearly 70,000. Oh. My word, nearly perfect trade there, ETH. You only have 2K to go. See, I wonder if the dilemma is going to work itself out here. Imagine if we set up long. Do I take it again? Do I take it again? You probably should take it again, to be fair. If the market's clearly in a range, trade the range until it breaks. Really. Get some absorption, though it might pull back unless sellers step in. I imagine those... who was the analyst that suggested 70,000 that we were looking at yesterday? Hold on. Oh, it would have been nearly 12 hours ago, actually. You know, I need to keep an eye on these trades over here because I don't think I'm going to get filled. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. If I don't get filled. So I've got 155 so far today. Oh, 160. Wow. Positive slippage. I'm currently 404 off where I was for having a big losing day. How do we play this? How do we play this? So if we did that, we'll be looking at picking up 64. But we'll be buying incredibly high. Not sure if I like if it comes all the way back down here though. Ooh, hold on a sec. What's going on here? There's a maximum zoom. What's a max zoom on this? May need to do some silver analysis. Let's see. There's a TPO chart. Oh my word, a flipping TPO. Oh. Trading blind. Trading blind. Golly. Oh, hold on. I'm going to short it. Cancel that. Is that the best decision? Is that the best decision? May not be. Oh wow, risking 237. We picked up 160, so not too bad. What about a stop? Is a stop in a good area? I believe so. Okay. Well, two things can't be true. This can't get to target and this can't get to target. We know that. Two things cannot be true. Look out for double absorption profiles. Oh my gosh, another thing. Oh Lord. Double absorption profile. Oh, double distribution profiles. Oh, I know what you mean. It's like a B. I know what you mean. Double distribution. I was about to say it's the first time I've ever heard of double absorption profile. Okay, so let's go see what EC's on about. Oh, I got this level here and this level up here. Let's look big picture. Yeah, got volume there, and volume down here. Is that the same on gold? No, not quite. It's a bit of volume peak in there, a little bit down here. Not quite the same. Let's see. Let's see. Should I put it all in on the silver trade to the downside? Because I'll be triggered into the long on NQ. Who's got greater relative strength? It's always going to be NQ. It's less volatile. Sorry, gold is always going to be. It's less volatile. So the target is just above value area low, looking for a rotation from TPO point of control. Let's reduce some risk here. Oh, what's going on? Don't crash on me now. Don't crash. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we're starting to see the breakdown here below value on our friends over at NQ. Seeing the breakdown below value. Does our trade idea still hold up? It's not quite right. It's not quite right. It's not quite right. You know what? We'll just live with the consequences. You know what? If we get filled. Oh, wow. Yep. So that short trade over there on NQ. Last thing I need now is for this not to get to target. But let's talk about that NQ trade. So, where was I looking at the NQ? It was through this area here, wasn't it? Yeah. Through this consolidation right here. Through this consolidation. No, it's lower than that. Come on. Let's get it right. Get it right, bud. I'll start it again. Start it again. What the hell is that? ES is up 100 points. So, it's not, I'm like, what in the world is happening to me, brain? It's this consolidation here. Consolidation came back, retested it. It looked like he was rejecting it. Didn't want to take the short. Wanted it higher. Up to 39. All the way into these highs. Didn't get there, of course. Only went to 23. And look at it go. Look at it go. About to be triggered into the long here. Seeing a range expansion over on. Is it a range expansion? It is. New lows on the day. doing some price discovery over on our friends at NQ. Very next level we're looking at, of course, is a move down to that 816. See if we can find some buyers down there. Zero guarantees that we will. Zero. Oh, 90. 90. Are we sure we want to risk that? Yeah, it's too late now. You're in, bud. You are in. You are in. So, best case scenario, we come down, get to target, and this turns around before getting stopped out. Or, if this comes all the way down and hits the target, and this hits stop loss, still going to be net positive. Still going to be net positive across the two trades. Of course, it could come down, get stopped out. This turns around and goes and gets stopped out again. That's also possible. Let's go look at our friend ETH's position on the old Bitcoin. Oh, wow. Nice, making new lows. New lows in the day? Yep, new lows in the day. On Bitcoin, heading towards that 70,000. Let's put an alert at 70,279. We'll go have a look at Bitcoin. Let's see if it's playing ball. What is going on? Well, we've been held up here on silver. Let's not do that now. So on this position, we could pick up 193. And on that, we're going to pick up 173. Could pick up over 300 across both. So again, if we get stopped out, but these get to target, it's still going to be net positive. I don't like the fact that we're given a bit of a divergence though, where we're seeing more selling over on gold, whereas silver's been held up. Certainly not a fan of that. Duh. Ooh, yeah, you're in now. Risking 151. Potentially looking to pick up 144. Was there a short I missed? Potentially. Potentially. There is always a possibility of adjustment, of course. So, if we do turn around, set back up, there is a possibility of adjusting our target. Stop remains the same throughout. Nope. Looks like it's going to go. Looks like it's going to go for that stop out of 151. Oh, goodness me. It is going for that stop. Golly. Golly. Let's see. What's a low? 62.4. What have I got at 63? Should have it at least 61.4. Oh, let's put it at 61.6. Just in case it's a quick sweep. Come on. Come on, silver. Need you to play ball here. Go and pick up the target. Silver's a lot thinner, so it's going to be a bit more difficult for it. So put an extra 9k of risk on the old gold. I don't like to put a stop just at the lows. Just like to be just beyond the lows, just in case the buyer step back in. Break the lows, buy step immediately back in. What is going on? Come on. No, no, no. Get to target first here. BTC may come back a bit. It's a level where the buyers step in. Oh, I don't need him to step in right now. ETH, make the call, mate. Make the call. Heath, I need you to make the call. Golly, the back in. No, look at this, man. Fuck. See, this is doing exactly what I needed to do, but I needed this to have got to target. Oh, man. Oh, man alive. This is doing what I needed to do, but I wanted this to get to target. That's why I didn't like the divergence here, where this was selling and this was just being held up. Because that's the problem. Because if it was selling at the same rate, that would have likely have got to target by now. And I'd be very happy considering this is in profit. But what can you do? So we're looking at your rate over at BTC. Let's have a look. BTC. Still defending. Let's see. So, had high volume on the way down here. Volume's falling back a little bit. Okay, so what I need to happen here then is divergence to the upside, hold, selling, target, buy. That's what I need right now. Unrealized, of course, I'm at my daily goal because I've currently banked 160 plus we've got 282. Even this minus 17 is nothing. Like minus 23 is absolutely nothing. We're nearly at plus 300 over there across that 460 across both positions. So even if we lose 4, 5k, 10k here, it's absolutely nothing. So we could still have like $500,000 day quite easily if we were to close in terms of open P&L. But I'm trying to have these trades work themselves out. At some point, I imagine when volatility falls back, I'm going to have to adjust targets, have tighter targets and stops. I'm going to have to be prepared for that at some point. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Come on. The volume's starting to build right there at 81,900. Darn it. That's where I had the orders to take buys at 81,900 before I decided to take the short position. And that's exactly where this market's being bought. So that would have been a great area, it seems like. Well, anyway. Let's hope that we can see this move lower. If this turns around, it would have shown. Hold on. Ooh, hold on. Where's all the drawings? Oh, I'm not looking at NQ. I'm looking at Bitcoin. Let's go look at NQ. What's NQ doing? NQ's heading towards that 800 there. Oh, wow. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's GEO. Down 91 over here. Up 345 over there. Come on, I just need to get to target. This is what I like to see. Keep holding there. Just need a flash down here. Just need a flash. Thing is, target may stay the same. It's getting a bit thin down here. You can see it. You can see the spread starting to widen a little bit. Don't like that. I don't like that. Plus, we've got previous volumes sitting around at 81,635. Got previous buyers have stepped in. What do you need to see to get out? I'm not going to get out. I'm going to let the trade play itself out. Oh, why is your target below value area? It's not below value area, my friend. It's above value area. It's above value area, according to TradingView. Oh, come on. Don't tell me my instincts were correct about the widening spread and the slowing down of prices coming down around this volume. Were my instincts correct? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. On your charts, is the value area higher than, let's see where this is, 81,470. What do you mean? Look at the profile is below value area low. No, it's not. What are you on about, mate? I think we're looking at different things here. I believe we're looking at different things. Value area low is right here at 81,470. What value area low are you talking on the periodic profile value area low? Because I'm using a session value area low. Because if we're looking at different value area lows, then that's why we probably have a bit of a divergence in opinion here. Or unless well, then again, my volume profile probably prints different to yours, because I think we had this price formed a B on the periodic volume profile. Oh, I'm not using that. I'm using the session profile. Oh, you're looking at this here. Oh, I see what you mean. No, I'm using the session profile. Imagine this is probably going to be well, worst case scenario. This could be an inverted head and shoulders. We come down, put in a shoulder, make a head, lower low, make a higher low, shoulder, and go springboard. So I see what you mean, the value area being around the 81,695 on the periodic profile. But I'm looking at the session profile and the fact that the target is just above it. Now, we already seen the slowing down, which suggests that, you know, you do have a point. You do have a point. And we are seeing it prices being held over here around gold as well. So there are factors going against me. We're only up 204 after being 300. Seeing this push here to the downside. Why is this level so big? That doesn't make any sense. Why is it so? Okay. We'll see. Okay. Huh. Mark, you gonna punish me? Let's see. So the problem I've got right now is gold is being held up. It's not really a problem in the sense that this is working in my favor here, but it's not great news for this trade over here. I really wanted a treble 4. I really did. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to get it. Who knows? Who knows? I will come back to regret it. Who knows? So let's look at, you know what? Let's put an alert right there. If it breaks those lows, we'll be interested to have a look at the chart. So let's see. Why have I drawn this level here? Let's see. It doesn't make any sense. This level should be, this level's not correct. Oh, I see. Yeah, should be a bit lower. A little bit lower, around at 810. Yeah, that's better. What was this? Sup, mate? Wacky day. How you doing, Zar Trader? What have you traded today, mate? Oh, you know the trader in Q. Are you in for the short? Oh, this son of a... Look at that. Were you caught in a chop, Zar Trader? Ah, this son of a gun ain't gonna work, is it? This son of a gun ain't gonna work. Da-da-da. Where's a new candle? Atas updated their volume profile, so it's got some nice new features that help it visually. Golly, no, come on. Don't do this to me. I need this treble 4. I need it. You're saying Atas? Oh, look at this. Sellers are back in town. Come on. How much am I asking for? 650 to 510. Is the level that's the problem? Is the area? You know what? Let's look at Ates's website. Ates. Ates. I need this to break down one time, but I just don't think it's going to do what I need it to do. Accept cookies. Well, perfect plan. Always free. Come on, Ates. Don't mess around. I need 40 euros a month. Oh, come on. No. Short's not going to work. I don't know if it is or not, but it doesn't feel like it. Buyers just keep trying. And what I don't want to do is just get out. It rallies briefly, then dumps against the target. Oh, that will just get my goat. That would absolutely send me through the roof. Anyway, let's go look at Ates, right? So, 40 euros. I'm not going to be paying that. Let's see, lifetime. 17.99. Cannot be paying that. Ooh, okay, see, buyers have stepped in our friends at NQ. That's what we wanted to see here. So we're having to move down on gold, but silver is diverging to the upside. That's not what I want. I want the reverse. Son of a. I need the reverse. I like this area on NQ. I need it to set up correctly. Oh my word. Don't do this, silver. It's gonna do it, isn't it? Maybe not. Someone's selling gold. Someone's selling gold. Yeah, crazy. Scaly. Scalping day. I'm in my 8th trade on MNQ. Currently holding short. 24,986. 24,986. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, you're in a nice trade. Come on, I need to resync here. If I'm going to get stopped out on gold, I need to get to target on silver. Oh, you're in a really nice short, mate. 986. And you're down to 811. Goodness me. You are absolutely cooking. Goodness me. 986. Let's see. Let's go 85. Wow. 186 points. Okay. Just clear the lows there on silver. Need like a waterfall here. Fall through the floor. Fall through the floor. Here we go. Fall through the floor here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Value areas just changed. Oh, fuck me, man. I don't need a value area there. Come on. Break through those lows. Let's go. Let's go. 510. Why is my alert not triggered? Add an alert. 510. Add one at 500. Add one at 95. Let's go. How low did we go? 515. Golly, one tick away. One tick. Oh, that's nasty. What a tick. Come on now. Let's not do that. Come on. Come on. Retesting the lows here on gold. And that's why. Oh my. Ugh. Are we really going to let one tick be? I probably shouldn't allow one tick to be the barometer. Nah, let's not do that. Let's not let one tick be the bar. Yeah, let's just lock in at least 150. Let's lock in at least 150 here. We cannot let one tick be the death knell to us. That would be poor on my part. What I'm worried about is this thing just being annoying. Turning around, stopping me out and going down and getting to target. Therefore leaving 300 on the table. That's what I'm worried about. This thing turning around, stopping me out, then turning around and getting to target. That kind of stuff just pisses me off. Pisses me off. It's fucking, if it fucking does that shit, man, I tell you. Because imagine now he turns around, stops me at 160, and it comes all the way down here. 160, so then I'm just flat. Nah, fuck that. No, no, no. We're not doing that bullshit. No. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We are not doing that. I'm not doing that. No way. No way. I'd rather get stopped out up here than allow that to happen. I tell you what, if I get stopped out, I'll aggressively drag the stop down. How about that? Due to the correlation of these two instruments. It's bad math too. Get stopped out and get stopped out again. This will be for no... This whole... All of the anxiety and stress through here would be worth nothing. So... This is silly. Why is it just got one tick from there? It's pulled all the way back. What absolute BS, man. What an absolute load of BS. So, okay. New candle. We're at 660. What's the time of day? Oh, damn. It's 1 o'clock Eastern. This joker could turn around and rotate to the other side of value. I needed to get it in his first 5 minutes here. I needed to get to the target in the first 5 minutes. If it does not, could have problems. Could have problems. Looks like I'm going to be having problems. Okay, seen selling on gold. Hopefully translate over to silver. The fact that buyers come out of this. The fact that the buyers can't come out of this, I'm going to... I'll tell you what I'm going to do. If I get to target over here, I'm going to just stop to break even over here. And reload if it sets up. Calm the hell on, man. What the fuck's going on? We've gone out to 545, targets at 510. What are we doing? What are we doing? Look at the fucking value area low, just fucking around, man. Fuck me. It's just fucking with me. I might as well just end this stream, man. These banks, I tell you. Every day they tune in and watch my live streams. Just come and fuck with me. Every single day they watch my live streams. Oh, mother. Ugh. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Told you they hate you. These fuckers, man. Fuck me. Like one tick from target. What are we doing? Like go and get the one tick, man. Fuck me. What is going on? See now there's a genuine reason not to get out because the value area low is definitely there. At 595. There is a genuine reason to get out. Now I'm just being stubborn. Now I'm just being stubborn. And I'm seeing silver. I'm seeing gold go down and silver's diverging. What are we doing, silver? Sell off. I shouldn't be buying today. The president signed a deal with Venezuela to get 1,000 kilograms of gold. That's more of a reason to sell than anything today. Look at that. Yep, stop tag. Get to target. Thank you. Great. Great. Couldn't have my cake and eat it, but I'm not going to complain. Lost 160 over there, but picked up 444 over there. So still net positive. So picked up 453, but lost 162. So still net positive across both positions. So I'm up over 400 on the day. Certainly not going to complain about that. I think I started the day at 1378, currently at 826. What's the date today? It's the 5th of March. So start today 1378, currently 1826. Now, no. Let's think about this. Let's see if there's a reason to buy silver here. Because I know there's a reason to buy gold, but is there a reason to buy silver? We're at value area low, but that's not a setup. Let's see. Oh, actually, there may be. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, actually, maybe there is a reason to buy. Oh, wow. Yes, it looks like it. Oh, it looks like. Oh, oh my. Come on. I don't need this to get away. Darn it. It's going to take up the entire range. Golly. Ah, these jokers, man. These jokers. 400 is pretty good. It is. It is pretty good. It is pretty good. But I think I'll take one set of trades. Because we've come into this area on our friends over at NQ. Oh my word. Come on, silver. Don't do this. It's going to take the entire range. Oh my word. It's going to take the entire range. Likewise over on gold. Golly. Look how much these... See, this is what I was concerned about. At least I was able to get profits on the silver trade because I suspected that buyers were going to step in pretty soon after 1 p.m. Eastern. Look at that. We're looking at from the lows a $20 move on gold. And from the lows, we're looking at nearly 1% move on silver. 115 ticks. That was a concern. But we'll see. Never know. I'm not a fan of the gold long is going to be problematic. Just due to the fact that we've traded so much below this level. I don't know if the market trusts it. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it. We've had this volume. But it's not like kind of volume bottom that you want to see. Ideally, you want to see a high volume like this. Then the market turn. But we did see high volume. Volume slowed down as we went lower on silver. And it seems like we're about to get a pickup out of there. So we see volume picking up on NQ on the way down to the level. Volume start to slow down a bit and price started to turn. So these look pretty like classic setups. You never know. There could always be losers. There could always be losers. You never know what's going to happen in the markets. Out on my NQ short, going back to lock myself out, else would buy NQ bottom. Fair enough, as our trader. You bought from what, 986? Goodness me. You taking the profits there, why not, mate? It's pretty solid trading. If you're walking away with 100 plus points, you got to be happy with that. Oh my words, darling. Silver is going up through the roof. Look at silver. Oh, it's gonna. Silver is such a dog, man. What an absolute dog. Why would he go to the point of control and the TPO as well? You son of a gun, man. What an absolute son of a gun, man. Oh my word. Silver doesn't give. God, silver gives you like the worst decisions to make. Silver's like, huh. If you think it's going to be easy, think again, bud. Oh my word. Silver's a demon, man. Oh my God. You know, no easy choices when it comes to silver. Silver's an absolute menace. Why would you do this to me? Why? You're still pushing. Golly. Silver is an absolute menace. Absolute menace to society. Well, let's get involved. Buys across the board. Okay, so let's see. 112. Oh, golly. Of course, silver's going to give me the biggest risk. 2. 163. 162. So what was the key? Add to that one. Let's see. Take profit is there. Let's drag this down. Take profit is here. Let's drag this up. Oh wow. Huh. Oh goodness me, is the take profit only there? Golly. Thank you, silver, if it's only there. Thank you, silver. 178. Ah, bad risk reward. Still got to navigate all of these highs, which could be problematic. But I'll certainly take it. Let's see. Let's see. 265. 178. 300. Oh, potential number 400. 600. We're not going to get to target on NQ, I don't think. Don't think we'll get to target on NQ. I think it might be a loser. Gold, I'm unsure. Silver, a little bit more confident. If I was to rate them, I'd say lowest confidence is this. I wonder how you could rate these. How could I rate these now? Okay, let's go with a bear. Yeah, I'll give this a bear rating. And I'll give this a bear rating as well. And I'm going to give this one a pig rating. I'm not confident in it, so I'll give it a pig rating. The problem I'm going to encounter is this area right here, previously identified as a potential sell area, which we were able to sell from and get to target. So it's about whether it's going to be a sell area again. Again, we've just interacted with it and retraced from it. So will the sellers continue to step in this area? That's the question. We are buying close to value area low. So hoping that the market has an intention to rotate. Let's see. Let's look big picture here. Where is the... Hold on. Hold on a second. Value... Okay, value area high. Yeah, so got value area high all the way up here. Hoping that we do get that rotation. Target's not even the value area high, so do have high volume sitting at 415. Have these previous highs that we've seen selling step into the market from. Of course, we've got some volume slightly below where our target is, so it's not smooth sailing. Over here, let's have a look. Let's see where our issues could potentially be. Let's see. Potentially around 950. Could see some issues around 950. Do have value area low sitting around 962. Targets up at 977. So it's not smooth sailing there. We're about to interact with the high volume. Switch down here to the 82,400 over at our friends at silver. So we'll see how if we can successfully navigate that. Again, we need to navigate these highs and this area that we've previously identified. We certainly could get into this area, sell out, and break the lows. So it's not smooth sailing by any stretch. But if we do get all our targets, it's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day. If all targets are hit, it's going to be a great day. That would mean, hold on, would that mean I've been 5 for 5? Would I be correct on all trades, actually? Would that mean I'm correct on all trades if I do get... No, I had a loser. So just had the alert go off there over on our friends at silver. So we interacted with this high volume area again. Prices could get stuffed in this zone. We've got this high volume. We've got these previous highs, which have rejected from. Certainly could see the market go lower, break lows and break down. Again, we're looking at potential at 940 to 950. So I'm going to stick an alert out there at 930, 950. And I'm going to stick one at 950 as well. Again, in this area here, potentially around at 951 as well. We got this entire area and potential at 951, so we'll see. We will see. We'll also see about these previous highs. We're looking at 620, so we'll put an alert over there as well. Up at 620 if we manage to get there. So, NQ struggling a bit. Certainly not a great sign. Potentially losing 162 across these two trades here. Could potentially pick up 400. So that would be potentially maybe at 250 if we were to lose here and get a target across these two. Zero guarantees of success. We could still lose in all three. Give back all the day's gains. Give back all the day's gains. Let's see. I wonder what the unrealized P&L is actually. Okay. So we're about to get to 2. Doesn't matter. I've got to hold the trades to target, so it doesn't really matter what the unrealized P&L is. Because it doesn't matter. Okay, about to attack. Oh my gosh, the point of control just shifted on silver there. Point of control TPO profile switched to 530. Could potentially see us sell back down. Hoping that there is enough volatility, volume, and buyers in this market to drive us through the point of control. That's just shifted. Point of control shift. So that means it's a high volume point up there near the highs. Hoping that we can see this breakout here above that 620. And I'm hoping that there are no buyers sitting there. Target's all the way up at 760. Hopefully we can see a strong move here. If we typically break the highs, that's a bad sign potentially. Suggests that there were sellers up there. And again, we've got a few factors at play. We've got the previous highs that we sold from. Pretty decent sell from there. We've now got a point of control sitting up there from the TPO profile. Again, that's another confluence acting as a bit of a headwind for our bullish trade. So we will see. Seeing our friends over at NQ not being compliant, struggling. Golly. About to go and hit stop, you son of a gun. You son of a gun. Yeah. You son of a gun. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Silver. See, the point of control is acting as a resistance alongside the previous highs. Need a shocking move here. A very violent break. It's not there. It's just not there. The violent break's not there. We see the selling go over on NQ back into the zone. Not good. Not good. Seeing gold come back down as well. Oh, new candle. Golly. Well. Ooh, what's going on here? Come on, NQ. Hoping to see a bullish candle and a reset over on NQ. So we're going to retest the point of control on silver, the right hand chart here. But the problem I've got is gold is not compliant. Non-compliance on gold. So what could happen here? We could lose 162, we could lose 227, so that is 280, 380, and we only pick up 178. So we could be net down 200 if we were to get to target, get to stop. Could always lose in all three. That is still a possibility. Why did the point of control have to shift, man? Jeez Louise. Such a bad thing to happen. Because the problem is going to be, even if we do go higher, it's going to take a long time. Is it a point of control? See, we're building volume even below the point of control as well at 415. We've got a volume at 530. It's just not great. Not great. Not great. How close did we get to the 620s? We got to 610, so we're 2 ticks off. 2 ticks off the highs before we've had a retracement. Okay. Some buyers have stepped in there. Let's go, buyers. Let's go get that 620. Yep, just got a 620. Want to see violence here? Want to see violence? 665. Come on, want to see more violence here? Would like to see 680 pretty quickly. Can we get 680? Yep, 685. Okay. A lot more confident of getting to target here, but you never know. We're down to 630. Golly. The target's up at 760 on silver on the right hand side of the screen. Let's take some of this risk off the table here. So we're at 640. Certainly would like for us to hold here. Can we hold above 600? Struggling. Oh, I'm hoping that. Come on. Let's go. We got as high as 685, so 685. Can we get 7? Let's see. Let's go with 7. Can we get 7? No, we're back below point of control. Son of a gun, man. Son of a gun. Back below 500. Son of a gun. That might have been it. That push there might have been it. I don't know if it is, but that might have been it. We had to push through the highs. Sellers have come back in. We're down to 370. Push through the point of control. That might have been it. That might have been it for buyers. That might have been their chance. Sellers are going to retake the market. Golly. Just look at all the volume on that push. And what happened? We came back before the close of the candle. Bad sign. Bad sign for silver. Bad sign. Point of control, previous highs. Strong push failed. It's not good. Already seen failure across NQ as well. Negative across the board. Bad sign. Oh, just had the, what is that? Value area low switch. Let's see. It's a bad sign. About to be stopped out here on NQ. About to be stopped out on NQ. There we are, stopped out on NQ. Thought it would be the weakest instrument. Thought it would be the weakest. Again, selling out of the zone. Due to the entry. would have been too narrow a take profit, so it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. I don't think there's any. I don't think there's any more that I'll be interested in on our friends over at NQ. I think I'll be done for the day over there. Don't think. I don't think there is any other levels I'll be interested in. It's. I think this is the level. I don't think I'll be interested beyond this, so we will see. We will see. We will see. Oh wow, look at this going up. Oh, actually, I'm gonna get in more in our friends over at Silver because I'm seeing buying on gold here. I'm seeing a lot of buying on gold, and I believe it's gonna translate to buying over there on silver. So I could be wrong, but I've just added a little bit more risk. So that's taking that from 211 to 436. Looks like I'm going to pay for that decision, eh? Looks like I'm going to pay for that decision. Okay, big step back. Okay. I guess it's so. I guess it is sell. Trump admission. Seems I'm about to set up a long again on NQ, so we will see. Maybe this is the one that works. Well, we've got a minute, so we'll see how this candle closes, of course. That's going to be a big factor. It's going to be a big factor. See that divergence in gold and silver. Gold is certainly looking strong here, but anything can happen. Are we going to see the long here on NQ? 6 seconds to go. 4, 2, nope. We have to wait. We will have to wait a further 5 minutes. Certainly would like to take gold off the table here, just to add a little bit of P&L to the old account. Would certainly prefer if I was able to get to that target before taking the NQ trade. But sometimes you don't get what you always want, and that's life. Just it. Come on, I need this too much of a divergence here. Gold is a lot higher than silver, so too much of a divergence. Look how far away from its entry in comparison. I need this to be up about 525 at least. Rabbits. Rabbits. Oh, get in. There we go. There we go. Okay, so okay, fairly big stop right there. Okay. Oh, fucking don't do that shit, man. Let's not do some BS now. NQ's pissing me the fuck off, man. Okay, so it seems like a big losing day staring me in the face again. It seems like another big losing day. Choppy. Choppy nonsense, that's what it is. It's choppy nonsense. NQ's got me twice. And adding to silver may be the biggest cost. Hmm. So, new lows on the day on the old NQ. Looks like it. Son of a man. This fucking NQ, man. This NQ. Why would you retrace so much to then go make new lows? At an important level. Real scumbag behavior. Real scumbag behavior. I'm just gonna buy. Okay. Comes down. Lose 221. So be it. Why would he just not sell through the level? If it's a sell day, just sell through the level. Why does buyers have to step in twice and for it to fail? That's what I don't understand. Buyers step in twice and it fails to go higher. What sort of bullshit's that? What sort of bullshit is that? It's deceptive. Super deceptive. So what am I on track to lose? About a million. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. The point of control shifted up here. What a real son of a fucking bitch, man. The constant shifts. Constant shifts all the way up there. Real piece of constant shifts. Oh well. Such is life. Such is life. Seems we're poised for a sell-off. Real scummy behavior. Real scummy behavior by these markets. Why would they do this to me? Okay, let's see. Just to make sure we are not in do not disturb. How would I figure that out? Let's see. Do not disturb. Yeah. Just make sure it's not like that. What's the point of control? The flipping value area low is at where my stop is. Okay, so hopefully we can post a bullish candle on NQ and I get the opportunity to drag my target down. Hopefully. You never know. This could always turn around and stop me out. Certainly is a possibility. We've seen silver get stuck. Gold get stuck. Lower high, lower high, lower high. So we close in some ways off the high. The highs are at 32. We're currently trading 13. So it's not a great sign, but if we could close around 21 in the next 16 seconds or so, it wouldn't be too bad. It wouldn't be too bad. What's the time? It's 2 o'clock Eastern. Okay, so if we post a bullish candle on NQ, certainly we're making adjustments. Sellers have come back into gold and silver. Not good. Are we seeing across the board selling here? Are we going to see across the board selling in the comms? So we've got 436 and 227. So what's that? 660 worth of risk in the comms. 660 worth of risk in the comms. Still a long way to go over here on our friends at NQ. Hopefully we can post a bullish move. Would be greatly appreciated. Got 2 minutes to go. Some buyers stepping in gold here. Let's hope they do continue. So, where are we? Where's the account? Let's see. We're up at 1658. Okay, so we did lose a little bit. 1658. I think we started at 1378. $13.78, and we're at 1658. Is it? Yep, 1658. So we're up 280. We're up 280 on the day. So come on, man. What the fuck, man? Why are we selling? Like, who the fuck is selling, man? Go home. You've made your money. Go home. My golly. Some of us are trying to buy. Jeez Louise. Stop being pigs. Can a bull make some money? Like, golly. I guess not. The bears are bloody in charge, man. Jeez Louise. I should put a bear over here. Fuck me, man. Oh my word. Copy. Paste, man. Jeez Louise. Paste. Damn it, man. These effing bears, man. Oh Lord. These effing bears, man. Fuck. Okay, so adjustment. Alright, so this comes down to right there. That means this comes to here. And this comes to like here. 409. Let's see. It's not that far away. 928.75. It's not that far away. But the way how this market's behaving, I don't know. Certainly if we can get this and this, we're up 600 onto our 280. Put us near a mill. I'm not confident I'll get to target over here on silver. I just think it's going to peter out all day. It's so far from target in comparison to gold and NQ. I think if NQ can just get somewhere where it has a bit of a breakout, where the bears get punished, I could really see something here. But you just don't know. You don't know. The market could always just come back. It's full of surprises. We've got 3 bears. The biggest concern is, of course, that silver. Like I said, is you've got this zone. We've seen selling again. I'm hoping that we get the third high. This registers as third higher low, and we break out of this zone, break above the 6. Is that 7? Let's see. Break out above the 685s and really go for that 760. Come on, why are we selling? Why are we selling? Come on, let's not do that. Fuck, why are we putting volume at 43? Son of a gun, man. Pure sons of guns. I wonder if this got bull. Oh, there is a bull. That's a rubbish bull. That bull looks horrible. The bull looks horrible. Let's go have a look if we can find another one. No, it's not going to be down here. It's not going to be down there. So it's going to be in animals. Reindeer. Horses. Cows. Which is this one like? That's garbage as well. Because, man, what the fuck, man? Why are they sellers, man? Jeez Louise. Look at that level. I randomly identified 95.1. We've got as high as 94.6. Real scumbags. Okay. I think I'm going to have to walk away from these charts. Or so much selling, man. Why are the sellers from 60 down to 40? What sort of nonsense is that? It's far too much selling. It's like this area here. Fuck me, man. The sellers are still there. It's still there. Between 92 and 86, still there. Now we're battling this point of control on silver, which is just not great. And when we get past that, we've got more battling up at 530. It's just, ugh. It's not great for silver, I tell you. It is not great. Most likely outcome at the moment is this sells and this sells. That's the most likely outcome at the moment. And this putting up volume up here does not help. Volume being putting up at 43 does not help. Let's see. I've taken a risk. You know what? I'm going to take a breakaway. This is just mentally kicking my ass at the moment. So, where is the notification? Put that there. Away.